I'm sure you've heard the news about diamonds and rubies, but let's dive deep into something truly unique. Enstatite, Tucson's own hidden gem. Enstatite shines with an understated beauty, often overlooked in the gem world. This gemstone isn't just another mineral, it's a spectacle of nature's chemistry at work. Composed primarily of magnesium and silicon, it forms deep within the Earth's crust, transforming under extreme heat and pressure into its crystalline magnificence. Enstatite glows with colors from translucent green to rich, earthy browns, each piece telling a story of geological epochs. And here's where it gets exciting. Strolling along the Tucson Mineral Mile, you're literally walking over treasure troves of enstatite and other spectacular minerals. Joining TucsonMineralMile.locals.com isn't just about exploring minerals, it's about linking arms with a global community of enthusiasts. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, Tucson's Mineral Mile and its vibrant community are your gateway to the fascinating world of gems and minerals. Dive in and let the treasure hunt begin. Image attribute Rob Levinsky, iRocks.com, CC BY SA 3.0, CC BY SA 3.0, via Wikimedia Commons.